Hi everyone and welcome to my channel Creative Tool. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make an easy and quick crochet earrings. You can make it in just 15 minutes. Basically it's called a disc earring as we'll be making a disc shape pattern in here. So let's get started. So for making this we need cotton crochet thread of size 20. I'm using the dark mustard color. You can see the thickness of the yarn. I'll mention the link to purchase this yarn in the description. And 2 mm crochet hook and a yarn needle, earring clasp, some beads and a pair of scissors. Now let's start knitting. So first of all what I'm going to do is to make a magic loop in which we need to make 12 single crochets. If you want to learn how to make this magic loop in details, then please check out my previous earring videos. I'll mention the link in the description. See, this is the magic loop. So we'll be making 12 single crochets all around this ring. Just insert the hook into the ring, grab the yarn from underneath and bring it back up, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops, and here it makes 1 stitch. Similarly we have to make 12 single crochets all around this magic loop. This is our row 1. Now fasten the yarn attached to the magic loop just to make a tiny disc. See how it looks. And here we completed the first row. Now make a slip stitch to join the first and the 12th stitch together to complete the first row. See this? Now in the second row we have to make a chain 2 and a double crochet in the first stitch. Yes. Then chain 1 and double crochet in the next stitch. Then again chain 1. See how it looks. And a double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this all around this disc. We need to make 12 double crochet in each 12 stitches of the first row, just to create a chain space between 2 double crochets. Now join this making a slip stitch, and here we completed row 2. And see, we have made 12 double crochets and 12 chain spaces have been created. And in the third row we have to make diamond shaped puffs in the chain spaces. So for this, first chain 2, and for making the puff, yarn over, insert the hook in the stitch and yarn over, pull up a loop and pull the yarn through first 2 loops, and again yarn over, pull up a loop and pull the yarn through first 2 loops, and repeat this 4 times. And see, finally we have 4 loops. Now pull the yarn through all the 4 loops at a time and make a chain to join, and again chain 1, and then make another diamond shaped puff in the next chain space. Yarn over, insert the hook in the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop and pull the yarn through the first 2 loops, and again yarn over, repeat this 4 times till we get 4 loops, and finally pull the yarn through all the 4 loops and make a chain to join, and again chain 1 and make a puff in the next chain space. Similarly, we have to make puffs in all the chain spaces around the disc. And this is the last puff I'm making. While making the puff, just make sure all the loops in the puffs are even. This helps the puff stitch look neat. And make a slip stitch to join. And see, our third row is completed. Now we'll go to the fourth row. In the fourth row, we just need to make single crochets in all the stitches just to give it a more firm look. Now make single crochet in all the stitches around the disc. Now we completed the fourth row and sew the disc, and now we have to attach the earring clasp to it. Just make chain 3 and cut up the excess yarn and fasten it. See how the disc is looking, and now insert the bead into it and then the clasp and make a tight knot to fasten it. I have used red bead with this mustard yellow earring. I think it's a good match. It's completely up to you how you choose the colors. Now we need to hide the yarn using the yarn needle. Now let's join another red bead at the bottom of the disc. For this I'm using the same yarn left after fastening the magic loop in the beginning. So this is how it looks. For me, this is the perfect pair of earrings to wear all day long. It's very comfy and lightweight. Sometimes I forget that I'm wearing them. You can make this easy, lightweight mustard yellow disc top earrings in just 15 minutes. Not necessarily yellow, any color that matches with your outfit. So what are you waiting for? Try this and let me know how it turns for you, and post a picture of the same with hashtag Bindu Mohanty on Instagram. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel for more such interesting videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications about my recent uploads. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, stay connected with Creative Tune and happy knitting. Bye bye.